Hello everyone. Whether you're already using Salesforce or thinking about it, today we're exploring a powerful feature, account plans, and how it can revolutionize your sales strategy. Salesforce has introduced the account plans feature in the Winter 25 release, enabling businesses to manage their account strategies directly within Salesforce. This feature provides a unified approach to handling key accounts. An account plan is essentially a strategic tool that outlines crucial information about a specific customer account. It helps sales and account teams focus on building long-term relationships by identifying customer needs, setting clear objectives, and planning actions to achieve those goals. This feature is available in Sales Cloud for the Enterprise, Performance, Unlimited, and Einstein 1 Sales Edition editions. Salesforce Account Plans streamlines sales by setting clear objectives, mapping key decision-makers, automating tasks, enabling real-time collaboration, and tracking progress with reports. These features help teams stay organized, work efficiently, and drive better results. Let's consider a scenario with TechPro Solutions, a software company with key accounts like Global Tech and Innovative Corp. Their sales team struggles to manage account details using spreadsheets, leading to miscommunication and missed opportunities. With Salesforce Account Plans, TechPro can set clear objectives for each account, like increasing software adoption for Global Tech or expanding offerings for Innovative Corp. The buyer relationship map helps them identify key decision-makers and influencers, ensuring they target the right people. Finally, real-time collaboration and automatic updates keep the team aligned and organized, making it easier to track progress and stay on top of key account goals. To get started, log into Salesforce, go to Setup, and in the Quick Find box, search for Account Plans to enable the feature. Adding account plan to the account page. Go to the account page. If the account plan section isn't visible, go back to Object Manager, find Account Object, and edit the page layout to include it. Once added, you can manage account plans directly from each account record. Creating an account plan. For example, an account plan for Global Tech would include start and end dates, account vision and current status, strengths, weaknesses, and KPIs, strategic priorities and competitive insights. Adding account plan objectives. Click Add Objective and define objective name and description. Start and end dates. Owner and key metrics, current versus target values. Automated tracking helps monitor progress over time, ensuring alignment with goals. Relationship map and dashboard insights. The relationship map identifies key decision-makers, improving engagement. Meanwhile, the account plan dashboard provides insights into revenue trends, win rates, and open opportunities, helping teams make informed decisions for account growth. Salesforce Account Plans boost collaboration, align teams, and strengthen client relationships. With tracking tools and reports, you can measure impact and adjust strategies for success. It's a game changer for managing key accounts effectively. So that's a quick rundown of Salesforce Account Plans and how they can transform your account management process. Whether you're managing key accounts or prospects, this feature is a game changer. Thank you for watching.